Japan Airline business class from the US to Tokyo costs $5,000 to $8,000 in cash. You can book it for 55,000 credit card points. And there is a new way to do it that most people earning points right now have no idea it exists. It opened in September of 2025, and it unlocks more available seats, lower mile cost, and a booking window that partner airlines cannot touch. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, which cards you need, and how to actually find and book the seats. Here's the problem most people run into when they try to book Japan Airlines with points. They search through American Airlines or British Airways, the traditional partner route, and they find almost nothing. One seat maybe, not two, and the price through those partners is higher. And there is a reason for that, and fixing it is exactly what this new method does. But first, let me show you why Japan business class is worth going after in the first place. Japan Airlines consistently ranks among the top 5 airlines in the world. Their business class, FAL Sky Suite, is a fully flat bed with direct aisle access on most long-haul routes. The food is exceptional. The service is exceptional as well. It is the kind of flight that normally requires either $6,000 in cash or a very specific point strategy to access. The US to Tokyo flight is roughly 13 hours. Business class on that route in a flat bed is a completely different experience than economy. And if you have been earning points on cards like the Capital One Venture X, this flight is now directly within reach. And here is what the redemption actually cost. JAL uses a route-based award chart. The rates are mostly fixed at the low end, not fully dynamic like some programs. Economy, 27,000 miles one way. Premium economy, 40,000. Business class, 55,000 at the base rate. 55,000 miles for a $5,000 to $8,000 flight one way. That is the deal. Now here's where most people stop reading. They see 55,000 miles and think, I have Chase points, I have Amex points, I will just transfer those. And that is the mistake, because Chase does not transfer to JAL. Amex does not transfer to JAL directly. The only major flexible points currency that transfers directly to JAL right now is Capital One. This is a Capital One play, and it just got significantly better. Here is what changed in September of 2025. Capital One added Japan Airlines Mileage Bank as a direct transfer partner. Before that, transferring Capital One miles to JAL was not possible. You had to book through American Airlines, British Airways, or another Oneworld partner. And that created two problems. Problem 1, higher costs. Booking JAL business class through American Airlines costs 60,000 AA miles. Through JAL directly, 55,000. And American Airlines miles are much higher to earn than Capital One miles. Only City Thank You Point transfers to American Airlines. Capital One does not. Problem 2, almost no availability. When you book through a partner airline, you only see the seats JAL releases to partners. JAL releases significantly more award space to its own members. People booking directly through JAL Mileage Bank. Here's a quick story. Someone searched for 2 business class seats to Tokyo last summer using American Airlines miles. Found 1 seat. Cannot find a second seat for weeks. Then searched the same dates through JAL's own program, 7 business class seats available. Same flight, same dates. The partner booking system showed 1. JAL's own system showed 7. This is not a small difference. That is the difference between booking a trip and not booking a trip. The transfer ratio and how to maximize it. Capital One transfers to JAL at a 2 to 1.5 ratio, meaning 1,000 Capital One miles becomes 750 JAL miles. That is the standard rate. which means to hit 55,000 JAL miles for business class, you need roughly 73,000 Capital One miles. Capital One also periodically runs transfer bonuses to JAL that brings that ratio close to 1-to-1, dropping the Capital One miles needed to around 56,500 instead of 73,000. Now, before you transfer, check Capital One's current transfer terms. If a bonus is active when you are ready to book, that is 16,500 miles you do not have to earn. At this point, you know the rate and you know the transfer path, but here is the part most people never figure out: how to actually find available seats and get through the JAL booking process, because this is where it can get tricky. Before I show you how to search, there is one more structural advantage you need to know. JAL opens award availability 360 days in advance, right when the flight schedule releases. Most partner programs like British Airlines and American Airlines also get 360-day access on paper. But in practice, JAL releases significantly more seats to its own Mileage Bank members at opening. Partners get what is left. Japan is one of the most in-demand international destinations right now. Business class seats, especially in the summer, get claimed fast. If you want the 55,000 mile rate, you need to be looking 10 to 12 months out, not 3 months out. And you need a JAL Mileage Bank account that has been open for at least 7 days before you can redeem transfer miles. Which means if you do not have a JAL account yet, create one today. Even if you are not ready to book, just start the clock. Now, the booking process. I'm going to be honest with you. JAL's website is not intuitive. There are no third-party tools that search JAL's award availability. You have to search directly on JAL's own site. Here is exactly how to do it. Step 1. Create a Japan Airlines Mileage Bank account. If you do not have one, go to jal.co.jp, create an account, log in. The account needs to be 7 days old before transferred miles can be used. Do this first before anything else. Step 2. Once logged in, find Japan Airlines award tickets. Select International Award Ticket, then look for the seat availability check calendar. This is the tool you want to be using. Step 3. In the calendar tool, select your departure city. Say Los Angeles. Select business class. Select Tokyo as your destination. Hit apply. The calendar will show you which dates are available and at what mileage cost. The dates showing 55,000 miles are your targets. Other dates may show 70,000 or 80,000. JAL does use some dynamic pricing. The goal is to find those 55,000 mile dates. Once you find one, click the date, then click Start Booking. The site will show you the confirmed availability and the full cost, including taxes. For a Los Angeles to Tokyo business class booking, the taxes and fees typically run around $140 to $196. That is it. 55,000 miles plus roughly $170 for a $6,000 flight. One more thing the calendar does not always make obvious: the availability is sometimes not 100% accurate. Once you find a date that shows 55,000, always click through and confirm the seat is actually bookable before you transfer your Capital One miles. Transfers are a one-way and final. You cannot transfer back. Now, the cards you need to make this work. The Capital One Venture X earns 2 times miles on every purchase. Annual fee is $395, effectively free after a $300 travel credit and 10,000 anniversary miles. Every dollar you spend becomes 2 Capital One miles. That is the best earning rate you will find for JAL miles right now. The Capital One Venture Rewards earns 2 times on travel and dining, slightly less elsewhere. $95 annual fee, it transfers to JAL at the same ratio. Valid option if the Venture X fee is not in your budget. Blit Rewards also added JAL as a transfer partner in 2025 at a 1-to-1 ratio. If you pay rent and earn Blit points, those transfer directly to JAL with no ratio penalty. That is actually the cleanest transfer path right now if you have Blit points sitting there. The mistake is transferring your Capital One miles to JAL before you have confirmed a specific seat is available. Again, once you transfer them, you cannot transfer them back. The booking sequence matters. Remember, step 1, create your JAL mileage account and let it age 7 days. Step 2, search the award calendar and find a specific date with 55,000 mile availability. And again, we just went over this. Step 3, click through and confirm the seat is actually bookable. Step 4, then and only then, transfer your Capital One miles. Step 5, complete the booking immediately after transfer. Reversing this order, transferring first, then searching, is how most people end up with miles in JAL's program and no flight to book them on. Confirm the seat, then transfer the miles in that order every time. Don't say I didn't warn you. The points you have been earning on everyday spending, groceries, gas, dining, can put you in a flatbed seat over the Pacific. This is the actual value of building a point strategy. Not cash back, not statement credits, this. Anyways, guys, that will do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If so, please remember to leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Also, I hope you guys have a great time in Japan if you are able to actually book seats. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, YouTube thinks you'll enjoy this one next.